great today, and if you're not, I hope your day gets better. I know that I have mentioned in the past my problem, okay, that I have with procrastination. It is something that I gotta get a hold on, and I have, okay? I got it kind of under control right now, but you see the flip side, the opposite side of procrastination is superhuman laser focus. You can't procrastinate all the time, all right? Because you're never gonna get anything done. The house of cards is gonna fall. There's gotta be balance. So my superhuman balance has kicked in. I realized, holy crap, I have 30 days to complete 2 courses, and it's like a switch happened. So now I am Miss Productivity. It's amazing. It's amazing. The scale is leveling out, and I am very optimistic about getting the things that I need done. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? You got a project and you're like, oh, I'll get to it. Oh, whatever. And then you look and the deadline is coming up and you're like, all right, let's kick it into gear. And then you execute flawlessly. That's the goal. So while I have you here, I am doing my last review of these 3D dome wigs that I got from OMGHERHAIR that I love, absolutely love. I can't even stress it enough. I have been wearing nothing but these 3D dome wigs since I got the first one. This one that I'm wearing right now is the 14-inch. I got the 12-inch. We about to put them on. So here she is, fresh out the pack. These videos have been such a nice break for me from worrying about lace, from gluing down the lace. And since the whole even thing happened, this is perfect, all right? Because now I have time to find a whole new system of products that I'm gonna use to lay my lace down. She is in tight curly, which is the exact same texture as this, except she's just a shorter version. This is 12 inches and I'm wearing 14. This wig has already come pre-cut, pre-bleached, and pre-plucked. Pre-styled basically, because once you put it on, that's it. You don't really have to do anything else. So let me show you the inside for those who have been uninitiated. If this is your first time watching a 3D dome cap wig video from me, sit back. So here is a look at the entire cap. You have a ton of parting space. I think it's 13 by 6. There is the silicone lining around the perimeter of the cap, and also a bit right here where the lace meets the wig cap. It's very grippy, helps hold your wig in place. As you can see that this cap comes with 3 combs. There's 1 on the nape. There are 2 temple combs. And then right above the ear, you have this nice little notch that's cut out. And this is really good for comfort, so everything fits so good. When I tell you, whoever designed this, baby. And then here is my favorite part of the wig, this drawstring feature. And this is the reason why you don't need any glue. You won't need any adhesive. Now this drawstring can drawstring, okay? You can have this thing as tight as you want to. Getting back to these combs are optional. If you've done the ball cap method and you have no need for these combs, they are removable. You can take them off and then it's just the cap. So this one and the other one that I have been wearing them without using combs. I'm actually going to put this back. I want to see if that makes any kind of difference whatsoever in the comfort and the security that I feel. So I'm going to go ahead and put this one on, and putting these on takes no time at all. Just watch. Take this one off. So drink it up. I wanna know what's on your mind. So drink it up. Adjust the string and you're done. And you can see that she is on and she is secure. Like, that's my scalp movement, that's not the wig. But you literally just fluff her out, play with it a little bit, super quick style, 15 seconds. Don't have to worry about doing nothing but putting it on. And you look great. I love these wigs so much. I don't know about you, but around these parts, the humidity is absolutely insane. I don't have to worry about when it's summertime because the heat is coming, it's already here. Oh my gosh, it's Georgia. It's already 85 every day. The kids have already been in the pool, okay? Not having to worry about what my lace looks like. If I decide to go to sleep tonight and wake up tomorrow morning, I know that this is gonna look the same. There's no readjusting, there's no reactivating any kind of adhesive that I used or anything, and absolutely no lifting. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna change my part. I'm just gonna spritz some water and comb through these curls, and it's gonna be the exact same style, but reversed. And I will be back. Show you how easy this is. So I've got my water bottle, I've got my detangling brush, and I have my choice of mousse. I'm gonna go ahead and flip this part and rehydrate these curls.
They say a drunk mind speaks over thoughts. So baby, what are you saying? Gotta tell me one thing. When you take them shots, but the next day you're just playing. Now baby, I don't need my time wasted. If you don't want me, then just say yes. Instead of calling up my phone when you've been drinking all night long. You're gonna act like you ain't saying.
So usually when I diffuse my hair, I don't diffuse it all the way so that the hair is bone dry. This hair is bone dry, so it is very crunchy. I have to break up the cast. I'm gonna use a little bit of my bonding oil from 𝐼𝐶 to do that. I'm gonna get dressed before I do that. I used my wig elastic band just to hold the hair down because I was manipulating it with the detangling brush. It's still glueless. I didn't sneak and put any adhesive on or anything. But anyway, let me go ahead and get dressed and then I shall return. And then we can decrunchify this hair. This stuff smells so good. It's the bonding oil from 𝐼𝐶.
One, two, I like that. Got me feeling like a kid.
Separating the curls and bringing the fullness back. This hair is 180% density, so it's pretty full. They will definitely last. I probably won't have to do anything more styling wise to this hair. If I decided to wear this wig every single day for the next week, I wouldn't have to do anything to my hair until the next week. You see what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna snip a few curls, just a few. So it's more face framing. But it's just the ease of putting this wig on and having it look so amazing and knowing that it's not gonna fly off my head. It's just made it one of my favorite wigs that I own. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you OMG Her Hair for this wonderful dome technology that we can be out here completely glueless and not have to worry about our wigs getting snatched off. Check out my previous videos of these 3D dome cap wigs from OMG Her Hair, and thank you guys so much for watching. All of the information will be in the description box below, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!